Well, hi, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to you. Fat Tuesday, of course, being celebrated. Mardi Gras down in New Orleans, so a little bit of jazz, New Orleans jazz playing in the background there. Quiet day today again. It'll be nice to see the sun return, but it is another cold morning, and it's not going to be a whole lot warmer than it was yesterday. It'll be pretty comparable because the winds will be breezy once again out of the west and the northwest, and that's going to make it feel a little bit cooler out there. There may be a few high clouds here and there, especially off to the northeast. Heading into tonight, then, we'll see a slight increase in temperatures later in the night. Tonight's really the truly last bitterly cold night ahead of us, so we're going to start to see those lows inch their way up at least a little bit. They'll still be cold, but not as cold. Continued increase in clouds on your Wednesday, but snow chances will remain off to our west. But it will be a mostly cloudy day on your Wednesday. It will actually be a little warmer, though. The wind shouldn't be terribly strong out of the east and the northeast. But as we get into Wednesday night, that's when our snow chances return Wednesday evening and especially later in the night Wednesday night. Now, as of right now, the best chance is near and north of Interstate 80, and we'll keep that going into early on Thursday morning. But by Thursday afternoon, that should start to clear out of here. So what kind of snow amounts are we talking? As of right now, I would put most areas south of I-80 under an inch, and probably even less than that. It could be close, though, in spots, I would say, especially as you get farther to the east towards Omaha. But generally, as you get north of the Interstate 80, that's where we're looking at a pretty widespread 1 to 3 inches of snowfall, but there's likely going to be a band of higher amounts of around 4, 5, maybe 6 inches of snowfall setting up somewhere, probably in the northern half of the state. How far north or south, that's still a little iffy, but it will be somewhere in the northern half of the state where we see those higher amounts likely setting up in some isolated, kind of an isolated band there. So something certainly worth watching. There doesn't look to be a lot of wind with this system, which is good. Of course, more snow on top of what we've already seen out there. Highs today, a touch warmer than yesterday, still not great though. Upper teens, lower 20s for most of central and eastern Nebraska, north central Kansas, and then more mid and upper 20s back to the west, even near 30 in Imperial. Tonight, like I said, is the last really cold night where we're back down in the single digits. A few could be below zero once again. And then tomorrow we inch temperatures up despite more clouds around. We're talking more in the way of mid to upper 20s and lower 30s, maybe even a few mid 30s off towards the south and the southeast. How about the next 3 days? Well, again, that snow chance coming in Wednesday night through Thursday morning, the brunt of it falling midnight to noon on Thursday, wrapping up Thursday afternoon. Still going to be a little chilly, though, Thursday. In fact, it'll probably be a little cooler with more of those clouds around on Thursday. Then we bump temperatures up closer to 30 on Friday, but we are going to see a partly to mostly cloudy day. And then here comes our next storm system, Friday night into Saturday, lingering into Saturday evening. This is a good chance of precipitation, but right now there are big-time question marks with the type of precipitation. I want to show you one forecast model here. This is the European forecast model. Take this out through into Saturday here. And we're going to see warming temperatures Friday night, so we may initially see some snow, maybe even a mix of precipitation, transition to rain as it warms up later Saturday night. And then Saturday, during the day, we may see more rain than snow across the southeast, but snow off to the northwest. But the big question mark is, where does the storm system go? This is one model. Some are a little farther south, others are actually farther north and give us more just liquid precipitation than anything. Plus, there might be a little dry slot that tries to push in, as you're seeing in north central Kansas there. But eventually, as colder air starts to come in, we may see some snow on the backside. How much is the big question? How far north or south is this storm system going to be? If it's farther north, we won't get much snow out of it. Farther south, we could get hit with pretty good snowfall out of the system here. But as of right now, I would trend towards the better chance of snow to the north, so that would mean the higher amounts of snow to the north. The other thing to mention, later in the day, Saturday to Saturday night, the winds are going to strengthen, so blowing snow could be a problem. So stay tuned to the forecast. This is as good of an outlook as I can give you right now, as there are still some big question marks with the track of this system. But we are likely to get at least some precipitation Friday night and into Saturday. But again, temperatures lows Friday night, Saturday morning, 25, but we actually may see temperatures climb near or above freezing by early Saturday morning. Saturday during the day, again, that chance of precipitation, but temperatures will warm above freezing, well above freezing, in fact, for many of us here. And then as we cool back down Saturday night, that's when we change that mix back to snow. But some blowing snow is certainly possible. Sunday is still fairly blustery, especially in the morning hours, as we get rid of that storm system. And then another slight chance of snow comes in for Monday. I'm not too robust on this chance right now here. It's looking like a 30, maybe 40% chance, mostly light snow. Not too up on this chance as of right now. Now, looking long range, I do want to point out, and this is, I need to look at my calendar here, I believe it's towards next Wednesday or Tuesday night, Wednesday. All forecast models are pointing towards a fairly strong storm system coming in during that time frame. But once again, like the Saturday system, it's about how much warm air or cold air we'd be dealing with. Models are showing anything from severe weather to a potential heavy snowfall event. So models are kind of all over the place right now. That's a long ways out anyway. What I will tell you right now is there are still no signs of any, skip to the next graphic, of big time warm air coming anytime soon. You can see we're still below average through the next 10 days. And part of the problem is all the snow on the ground is making it tougher to warm up during the daytime hours. And that's why we just cannot get those temperatures up. Now, we don't see a lot of bitterly cold air coming in after tonight. That's the good news, is we're going to kind of get out of this Arctic air, but the chilly conditions for this time of the year are still going to remain. So, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. I'll see you all again on Wednesday morning. Take care, and God bless. Bye.